you, I miss you all the time. How is that? How is that? How is that you belong?
Welcome back to Crunchin Gearz. Just a short video now. This is the RS2000 that we talked about many times in the videos. It's finally returned from welding, so we're just going to get it in the air quickly so we can have a quick look at what's been done. Up she goes. So you can already see the welding that's been done on this rear arch, been primed back over. So you wouldn't tell that was ever done. It's done an absolutely amazing job on that. Obviously once it's been painted, sanded back, it's going to look awesome.
There was nothing here before, nothing there.
All this was rusted out when it was all rotten out. This was all gone.
No chassis rails,
No, chassis rails are all fucked yet. So it's all been redone. Bang tidy job, mate.
No square wheel well, that was all right.
Yeah, he said he had to do the whole boot floor, didn't he? Whole boot floor's been re-welded. It's nice to see he's oxidised the whole bottom as well, hasn't he? He's done an incredible job on the sills as well.
And there's a stud there which I forgot to tell him about. He's fucking done it. And chassis rails. What do you need? There's nothing here, that's all.
Yeah, it's all through, wasn't it?
All up there, in the flitches, happened in a wing. They took the wings off. Up there, all beyond the cross member. All this cross member is fucked. All along there, all up there. That's why the bearings are fell out. That's why
The bearings are fell out, that's why we fucking move. Fuck's sake.
But, as that is now,
Yeah.
take all this off, get powder coated.
Yeah.
Because now it's in that position, I may as well go fucking,
Oh yeah.
may as well go smart with it.
Yeah. So yeah, this is the other project. Another 3-door Escort. This rear quarter as well. Again, you wouldn't know that that was rotten through, would you? It's all panelled back in. Yeah, the A-pillar, is it? A-pillar's all sucked in, all across the roof there, yeah. And all this down here where he's had to blend back into the sill. And all inside this arch here, Rod, you can see where he's been.
Can I take this axle off as well? Yeah, I can.
Say again?
You can take the axle off and get that powder coated.
Yeah. Yeah. More to strip off of this one yet before it goes to spray. Once it goes to spray, when it comes back, it'll be time to reassemble. All the parts and everything are all upstairs, waiting to go back on it. And it'll be hopefully the first one to be completed.
All in there.
So you can see inside the boot where it's done, and the floor pan where the wheel well
got a bit
is.
more in it now, though.
Yeah, it's absolutely soaked now because we just carried it back in the rain, which ain't great, but we didn't have a choice really. Jobs had to be done. It'll soon dry out. So what's the plan for this one then, Rod? It's just all standard, isn't it?
Well, this is me talking to it.
So what is the plan with this one then?
I want to put it back to the original.
Yeah. Concourse or not concourse?
Concourse is possible. It's not going to be a concourse.
No, I don't think.
It's possible.
Yeah, I don't think there's any benefit. Yeah.
It's going to be clean.
Clean, standard. So standard power?
I don't know yet.
Standard looks though. What wheel?
They might put the RS7 wheels on it.
I was just about to say what wheels are you going to go for, yeah.
I'll probably put some suspension on it. I'm going to put the bottom arms, what I put on the RS2000 in the end. When you lower it a little bit. I've got my arms and eats and eats.
Right.
The ones I want to get, they're expensive.
Yeah.
But I'm going to make it adjustable camber as well.
Okay. I've got to admit, it does cheer me up just not looking at my fucking rust box on the ramp, to be honest. So in the garage here, obviously ours got like the 4-poster ramp, and the ours got the 2-poster ramp as well. But we have this little green one which says it's a mobile ramp, but is it bollocks? Because it weighs about 700 kilo. We've tried moving it before, it's fucking well heavy. But yeah, it's ideal for the little projects that we do, just rolling them in and out. Use the recovery truck obviously straight onto this ramp, no hassle. It's only a quick short video so we could introduce you to the other project that's on the go. So if you're interested in seeing more content from us, obviously subscribe. Please do hit the like button, it does help us out massively. And we'll catch you on the next video.